How to drive like license. So, you wanna drive like license. This video just feels illegal to make. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is a joke and shouldn't be taken too seriously. This is the step-by-step blueprint on how to drive like license. Are you ready, little Timmy? First things first, you need to find yourself a Lamborghini Urus. Then, you gotta get the keys for it. Yes, this is a Lamborghini SUV, and yes, it costs more than your house. Driving the Urus actually feels like you're carrying a 3-ton Gucci handbag through traffic at 300 kilometers an hour. But somehow, it's actually quite precise. As the extremely wise and intelligent man License himself once said, the more expensive the car, the more the thrill you get when cutting up. I mean, this car weighs over 5,000 pounds. That's like 2 Toyota Camrys. But somehow, this beast handles like it had ballet lessons. You turn the wheel expecting the car to drive like a heavy boat. But sorry, black guy from Atlanta, this car actually turns unlike your Dodge Charger. I mean, it's nothing like a Porsche Cayman, but for an SUV this size, it's disturbingly sharp. Like, is this thing cheating on physics levels of sharp? The all-wheel drive system keeps it planted, the rear wheel steering makes it feel way smaller than it is, and the torque vectoring is basically the car's way of saying, don't worry, I got you in those heavy turns. Cutting up in this thing is less about precision and more about violence. You're not dodging traffic, you're bullying it. This car makes other cars look inferior because of how expensive and straight up unhinged it is. You want to drive like license? Okay, that's easy. Step number 1, get a Lamborghini Urus. Step 2 is never cut up in one car for too long. You want to make sure you switch up cars like James Bond. You want to keep it classy. Keep it cool. Legend has it, License has never cut up in the same car twice. These guys use blinkers when cutting up, which is surprising because most of the guys in New York drive BMWs. And no, these aren't your grandpa's fully loaded X7. These are F and G series BMW M cars. I'm talking M3 or M4. But since I'm a little greedy, I'm driving a G82 CS. So you've got a regular G80 M3. That's cute. It's like showing off to a street fight with gloves on. But the G82 CSL, that's like showing up shirtless, greased up, oiled up, and foaming at the mouth. The normal G80 is fast, sure. It's comfy, digital, and feels like it's tuned by a guy who still says efficiency is good. The G82 CSL is like the G80 M3 on crack. I mean, this car feels 2 times better. It feels literally 2 times better to drive than the normal competition package. And before you guys say I'm geeking, which I'm not, I've driven a lot of cars and I can definitely verify that claim. So you guys gotta make sure to like, comment, and subscribe or you're gonna make me very sad. The last step is to make sure you guys are mostly cutting up on Aesthetic Corsa no hesi. You guys seriously want to be cutting up mostly on video games. The thrill is just the same and it adds a good sense of realism if you have a wheel. There's something special about these no hesi servers. I mean, the game is a vibe. You're participating in the digital underground street racing scene. The music, the car packs, the community created maps. If you got that hype about cutting up, you might have the same hype about no hesi. And you might have some questions on the setup you need to run it. You can totally play on a keyboard or a controller. And hey, no one is judging you if that's your setup. But if you're serious about cutting up and the car scene, I highly recommend you guys invest in a good force feedback wheel, and that changes a lot of things. And if you guys think I'm glazing Assetto too much, I'm not gonna lie, without mods this game is garbage. but with the mods, it becomes one of the greatest games ever. I mean, my channel is literally named after it. Well, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to check out 10 types of drivers we all deal with and what your favorite swimming YouTuber says about you.